What's going on, Fireflies? It's me, Neon Emiway, and I am here to present you with some greatness. It's another wig. It's another wig. Oh yes. Oh yes. So in case you guys do not know, I have recently started a series on my channel titled the Zodiac Series, in which I create a look based off of each of the 12 zodiacs in our Western zodiac system. Lovely, super. In case you guys have not seen my video on the Mighty Leo, you guys should check out the bubble above and in the description box below somewhere. So in case you guys cannot tell, today I am doing a look based off of Virgo the Virgin. Now, I know, yes, here we go. It is officially Libra season. And you know what? I'm late. Sorry, Hurricane Florence was a bitch. So I am here to present the Virgos because clearly they're a little salty that I started with Leos anyway, so I'm gonna give them Virgos. Don't worry, Libra is coming later, you guys, it's okay. So yes, today I'm doing the look based off of Virgo the Virgin. It's a different spin on it, a different take on it. It's very earthly, very mossy. Something that you don't necessarily see from Virgos, but it's very true to the Virgo. If you're a Virgo, then hopefully this look does you justice. If not, then you know what? Sorry. How do y'all keep hair out of your mouth when wearing lip gloss? Because it is, If at any point you are enjoying yourself and you're enjoying the content that you are seeing, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means a lot. Also, if you want to continue seeing this majestic face on your YouTube feed, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. Because you know, if a natural disaster happens like Florence, then I don't know when I'm coming back. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media accounts. That is Neon Emiway on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I would mention Snapchat, but honestly I don't use it anymore, so. Anyway, this hair is everywhere. All right, no, I'm done fighting my hair. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into the next edition of my Zodiac series, Virgo the Virgin. So, let's get into it. I do it for you. Ooh, darn, hey sis, let me give you life.
I'm feeling